Okay, section 3 for the Ecology Webquest is right here. So what you're going to do, this one is going to take a look at the difference between consumers, producers, decomposers. Consumers, I'm just reading out the sheet, living that need producers to be their food. They're animals and people. They are things that have to eat things. A producer is a living thing that makes their own food. So these would be our plants. And then decomposers are the things that break down all of the living things and recycle the nutrients so it can be a cycle and start over again. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to click here, take us to the site, and again, if you have to allow flash and little pop-ups, you got to make sure that allows to show up on the screen here. You get to pick any one of these three, any one you want. I don't really care which one you pick, so I'm just going to pick the middle one right there, Arctic Food Web. So now what I have to do is I have to look at these creatures and I have to figure out how to put them into the boxes. So as I'm looking at it, there's some things you might not know what they are. These little things are called diatoms. Those must be kind of small. Maybe they take energy from the sun. Let's try putting them there. Ooh, look at that. We got it right. They're pretty small. I wonder what eats them. This thing's kind of small. Maybe this thing eats them. Yay, we got it right. I'm just going by kind of size. I'm not super familiar with an Arctic food web. I know the polar bear. He's probably up here over at the end someplace. Maybe here? No. Maybe here? Oh, there you go. Okay, so then we can kind of drop the rest of these in there. Once we get it done, we're going to come back here. And it says using the information table above, answer the following questions about your food web. So figure out who is the primary consumers, the ones that were doing the eating. Who were the producers in your food web, which ones were making the food from the sun, and which one is the top carnivore, which is the one at the top of the food chain. So you would then use this information once you've finished it, and then you figure out their names and you type in their names for me here. Okay, that's section 3. Easy peasy, not a problem. Okay, all right, on to section 4. I'm going to do that in this video too, because this one's just super easy as well. Talking about a population. So click on the next website. It's going to take us here. And it's going to give us, oh my gosh, a couple paragraphs to read. Okay, so we're going to read through those paragraphs. About a population is a group of organisms that are all the same species. That's it. You're done. A group of ducks would not be a population if there were only a mallard and a wood duck combined. Scientists would say that there are two populations existing in the same area. So you need a bunch of the animals of the same species in the same area. So you're going to read through this, and it's going to tell you about limiting factors, factors that limit the size of a population, which is over here, physical limits, competition limits. And then you're going to come back over here, and you're going to type in what is a population, and you're going to type in two things that increase a population, two things that decrease a population. Where do you find that information? You read these short little paragraphs. Okay, that is it. That's section 4. Okay, we'll do another video for section 5, which is for another day. Okay, that's it. All right, over and out. Stop.